Hi, this is Mike Bennett with Mike's Cars. We often get the question, when would I need to replace my belt? So what we're talking about is obviously an accessory belt. It could be an alternator, an air conditioning, water pump, or power steering, or a combination of all, as if it's known as a serpentine belt. We see that modern belts typically begin to show wear and may exhibit a couple of conditions. You may notice either a squeal or a chirp, especially when components are turned on, such as air conditioning. Around 50,000 miles is when we find the belt is at the end of its expected useful life, and oftentimes it's time to replace it. Now, whenever you bring your vehicle in for service here at Mike's Cars, we always do look at the belt to make sure that it's in good condition and it isn't exhibiting premature signs of wear. So rest assured, if there's a problem, we're going to let you know about it as soon as we see it, but otherwise, the general rule of thumb would be about 50,000 miles. Thank you.